Hi everybody, welcome to All Heart Adventure. I'm here with my incredible wife Tina, and we are in Puerto Rico where we are about to go to a waterfall that very few people know about. Hayden, our good friend from Puerto Rico, Hayden has his own YouTube channel, which is amazing.
Thank you, appreciate that.
You got to check it out if you want some cool spots to go to and places like that. But yeah, so Hayden, Ray, how many tourists know about this waterfall?
Not many.
Not many.
Not many.
No signs or anything, right? It's just right off the side of the road.
Yep.
It's a cool spot.
Well, word of mouth.
And what's the name of this waterfall?
El Charco Ultimo Brinco. Your last
Say
jump.
that fast 10 times.
And Ultimo Brinco means that it's probably your last fall, drop, dive.
So is that what it's called?
A lot of people have died here.
That's what it means.
It's called Last Fall?
Yeah, your last dive.
Yo quiero Last Fall Waterfall.
And Hayden jumped off of it.
Last time I was here, I jumped off of this, but I'm still alive. Dude, you didn't tell me
Clearly.
And we've got Ray's dogs with us. It's an extra layer of protection. Why are there so many dogs in Puerto Rico, Hayden?
I don't know, man. They bark all day, all night, though. They make my dogs bark, too. I'll have dogs running down the road, like right next to my house, and they'll stop and I play with my dogs on the other side of the fence all night.
What are your dogs? You have how many?
I have 2 dogs.
Well, how come everyone has 2 dogs? Why can't they just have... Do they feel like if they only have 1 dog, it'll get lonely?
They get lonely. They do get lonely.
In Puerto Rico, you're supposed to have 6 dogs.
6 dogs.
Come on now.
My yard's not big enough for 6 dogs.
Right.
It's a lot of poop to clean up.
Now I got a double whammy. Breathtaking, beautiful scenery with this breathtaking woman.
Listen, it's Puerto Rico. It's stunning. It's gorgeous. The weather's perfect. It's hot. It's humid. Waterfalls, the ocean. Come on, life doesn't get much better than that.
So Hayden has found us a spider web that's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if these spiders are poisonous, and that's something you got to think about when you come down to an island in the Caribbean. Are these,
They're not poisonous.
They're not poisonous.
No, they don't even bite. I learned about these on a tour, the Kamui Caverns, and they had big giant ones. They were like this big, and they were a different color, but it's the same breed, you can tell. But yeah, they taught us that these webs are like indestructible. So you can just like hit them all you want, bounce your hands off them, and they don't break. They're like rubber. They're strong.
I just think it's amazing that one little spider can create something so beautiful.
Have you ever watched them do it before?
No.
It takes them like hours. It takes some focus right there.
My grandmother who used to quilt would be stunned.
Yeah.
You know?
Wow.
Anyways, we're having a fantastic time. My wife, the fact that this island has a gym, there's gyms everywhere. So when you come, you can go work out. She hit the gym. We're gonna keep exploring. And now we're going to get into some metal detecting and see if we find anything that someone may have left behind. Maybe some pirates.
I'm going to find some gold. We could.
There's gold all over this island.
It might be here.
It might be here.
Let's find out.
So let's find out. Alright everybody, I have the Excalibur 2. This is called Excalibur because I am a Radio Shack geek. We got something right here.
Right here? Right around this area?
Yeah. Come over here. Wait. We found some ceramic tile. That is 21st century pottery. Oh my gosh, look at this.
No way!
Oh, dude, look at that, man. What is this thing? It's kind of like a bracelet.
Found a bracelet.
Look at that.
Wow.
So this piece of jewelry, a bracelet, has what looks like a clock on it. It's got all the numbers. So clearly this was a timeless gift that somebody gave somebody to say, I want to be with you forever. And then they lost the bracelet. So I don't know if that relationship has survived. Hopefully it has. So if this is your bracelet and you're watching this, send me a photo of the last time you were here at these falls, like my good friend Man Plus River does, and we will get this back to you.
I can't believe you found something right here. We just started it up. Right on the surface too,
It's
right?
crazy.
That's amazing. I gotta get one of those things.
All right, we'll put this in my bag. Okay, and let's go look for the next item. There is a lot going on right here. Okay, let's get the trusty shovel. Okay, we found the item, and you are not going to believe what this is. Are you ready? Drum roll. This is amazing. Oh, dude! Check it out. We found a door knob. I don't know if it unlocks a tunnel that goes all the way to China. But Ray, do you have the key to this?
I sure do.
Ray has the key. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh, wow. That means we're about to unlock some serious treasure. If you are missing a door handle, send a photo of you here at the waterfall like my buddy Man Plus River does. And one man's trash is another man's treasure. One thing I want you to know when you're outside and you're having these adventures and you're going into fresh water, it's most likely you may pick up some parasites. That's not a bad thing. We have natural parasites within us, but there is ways to get rid of those so that you live a longer, healthier life, because the parasites and the bacteria will lower your immune system. As a heart transplant recipient, I talk to my primary care physician who prescribes me a pill to get rid of those, but my wife, who's very natural and organic in the way she does things, I will direct you to her Instagram, where she talks about all kinds of stuff like this, and she lets people know the natural ways to cleanse and to recover from going outside and having adventures. Oh wow, we're getting another big hit right here. Alright, let's see what this is. Oh, and by the way, there are a lot of almonds. There are almond trees everywhere in Puerto Rico, and if that is a nut you like to crack, then come to Puerto Rico and get yourself some almonds right off the tree. Alright, check it out.
Found it?
Well, I found more of this. This is ceramic pottery, but I don't know if that's... I'm finding a ton of ceramic. Here it is. And this is it right here. So this is just one of the bigger pieces of the ceramic. And it's broken up. It's everywhere. There are some metals in it. Okay, we are back from metal detecting, and Tina is out of the gym. How was the gym, honey? Hayden's with us, and you know, we got a prize on the beach from doing the metal detecting, and if there's any one person that deserves this particular item,
I'm scared.
it is my wife. Of course, if this is yours, send a picture of you with this item at the waterfall and we will get it back to you. But until then, I'm gonna give it to the love of my life, because our love is timeless.
Oh, it's timeless.
Remember? Honey, I want to present you with this incredible,
Oh my gosh!
beautiful gift for metal detecting. One of the first legit finds.
Okay, this is really beautiful and special. Oh my
And
gosh!
check it out. There's
my
a little
gosh.
tiny, it looks like a clock, symbol of time because it has all the hours on it. So
Did you really find this?
yeah, I
in the
found that
river?
right there on the shore.
Oh my gosh! Right when I left.
That's right.
See, when you leave, good things happen.
Yeah, don't leave your husband. Good things happen. You know what I mean. Anyways, it's been great on this all art adventure. Until next time,
Peace out.
peace out.